यहाँ पे तो पूरा October 4, 2020 is World Animal Day. CPR Environmental Education Center presents animals. It is their world too. India, land of the ancient philosophy of Ahimsa. India's greatest gift to the world, Ahimsa or non-killing. Rig and Yajurvedas and the Upanishads, earliest references to Ahimsa or non-violence 5000 years ago. Bhagwan Mahavira, 24th Tirthankara of Jain Dharma, Ahimsa is its major ethic, 599 to 527 BC. Gautama Buddha, the supreme Buddha, preached compassion, 563 to 483 BC. Emperor Ashoka, non-violence was his state policy, 304 to 232 BC. Guru Jamboji, founder of the Vishnoi sect based on Ahimsa. Mahatma Gandhi, the prophet of non-violence. Non-violence is the greatest force at the disposal of mankind. It is mightier than the mightiest weapon of destruction devised by the ingenuity of man. Defining Ahimsa or non-violence, avoidance of violence, it is code of conduct that prevents us from causing pain or harm by deeds, words, or even thoughts, not only to fellow humans, but to all forms of life, from largest mammal to the smallest bacteria and the environment in which they live. People harm nature without thinking of the consequences. We exploit our fellow beings. The seas are being depleted of fish. India is one of the major suppliers of shark fins. Shark fin soup is a Chinese delicacy. We are cruel to animals for food, for our selfish desires. Traditional medicines from animal parts, fashionable cruelty, testing drugs and cosmetics on animals. We exploit our fellow beings. Do you want elephants in the wild or ivory elephants? Factory farming of animals is cruel. Life imprisonment for no crime. Chickens live in cages all their lives. Calves are taken away from their mothers at birth. People adopt dogs and cats and abandon them when they grow up. Give an Indian dog or cat a home. Don't buy a pedigree. Modern man has been cruel to nature and his fellow beings. Today, we are facing the consequences. A climate crisis. Climate crisis leads to floods, droughts, disease, bleached coral reefs, melting ice caps, melting glaciers. Water and food shortages. Land and ocean degradation. Loss of biodiversity and disappearing species. We have seen the consequences. Can we change? Yes, we can. Living in harmony with nature, save water, conserve fossil fuels. Do not cut trees, plant more trees. Avoid plucking flowers and leaves from plants. Do not walk on and trample plants. Do not hurt animals or birds. Do not catch butterflies and insects. Adopt a pet and take good care of it. Love us, not eat us. All lives are precious. The simplest way for a harmonious existence is to give up eating animal products. Why is meatless eating good for the environment? Meatless means water conservation, clean air, better land use, conservation of the forest and its organisms, conservation of precious resources. Water conservation. Production of 1 kg of meat requires 100 times more water than the production of 1 kg of grains or vegetables. 1.4 billion people in the world do not have access to fresh drinking water. Farm animals produce enormous quantities of solid manure which pollutes water. Clean air. Raising animals and meat production leads to air pollution and increases GHGs, which could be reduced if people follow a vegetarian diet. Livestock contribute about 9% of global carbon dioxide emissions, 37% of methane. Production of meat releases great quantities of carbon dioxide due to the destruction of rainforests, important sinks of carbon dioxide. Better usage of land resources. We need to feed enormous amount of grains to animals for them to make a small amount of meat. 1 kilo meat is equal to, on an average, 9 to 10 kilos of grains as animal feed. A vegetarian diet is more efficient in terms of agricultural land use than a meat-based diet. 840 million people are undernourished in parts of Asia and Africa. The world's cattle consume enough food to feed 8.7 billion people. Saving the world's rainforest. A meatless lifestyle will help the rainforest. An area of forest the size of a football pitch is destroyed every 2 seconds for the production of food for animals meant for human consumption. Clearing native vegetation impacts the water and climate cycles of the planet. It also increases soil erosion and drives species to extinction. Conserving fossil fuels. It takes far more fossil fuel to produce and transport animal-based foods than to deliver equivalent amounts of food from plant sources. It takes 78 calories of fossil fuel to get 1 calorie of protein from beef. Significant amounts of fossil fuels are used for transportation of food and the animals, operation of animal facilities including lighting, temperature control and slaughter activities, processing, packaging and refrigeration. Reasons to go the veggie way: health reasons, ethical reasons, to be in the company of legends. Health reasons: meat is high in saturated fats, increases the risk of obesity and heart disease, blood pressure, certain types of cancer, inflammation and pain, concentration of toxins. Ethical reasons: animals are transported over long distances, crammed into tight spaces for days on end, without food or water, in unbearable heat or cold, with broken bones, open wounds, and sickness. They suffer pain and fear. Is this ahimsa? The animals have to witness the agonies of their brothers and sisters as they are killed, knowing that it will be equally horrible for them. All the milk that nature intended for baby calves is taken away by humans. Cows are treated like milk machines, injected with chemicals so that they produce more milk. When they can no longer produce milk, they are sold to be slaughtered for beef. To be in the company of legends, you have to eat like them. Spiritual growth compels us at a certain point to stop killing our fellow creatures for the satisfaction of our physical wants. Mahatma Gandhi. Nothing will increase the chances of survival for life on earth as much as the evolution to a vegetarian diet. Albert Einstein. Eating meat is a leftover of the greatest brutality. The transition to vegetarianism is the first and most natural consequence of enlightenment. Leo Tolstoy. Animals are my friends and I don't eat my friends. George Bernard Shaw. Man is truly the king of all animals because his cruelty surpasses theirs. We live from the death of others. We are walking graves. Leonardo da Vinci. Want to be in the company of achievers? Are they your role models? They are all vegetarians. When shopping for food or eating at a restaurant, look out for these symbols. Green dot inside a green square means vegetarian. Brown dot inside a brown square means vegan. Red dot inside a red square means non-vegetarian. Go the veggie way. Eat green to save the blue planet. Acknowledgement. The Vincent Consent Kindness Trust Australia, Mr. and Mrs. Philip Woolen, the CP Ramaswamy Iyer Foundation. Thank you all.